Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss about the crazy method for an update that I want to give you for 2025. If you don't know what is the crazy method, I urge you to put crazy method into your life and just go watch the video about crazy method, the CBO optimization, then start understanding the cannibalization with daily loop theory and all of that. And when you do all of this journey, come here because some things have changed. First of all, in the previous year I did a dramatic video that it's the end of the crazy method. Of course it wasn't, it was a little bit cheap on my end as a clickbait.
That is totally inappropriate.
But I still use more ASC campaigns right now, less crazy method for sure. Crazy method helps me a lot in problematic ad accounts and other accounts that ASC campaigns are not working. And I'm using it a lot also for stacked lookalikes, which is one of the things that I'm doing the most with the crazy method, because if I'm about to do crazy method broad targeting, I will do an ASC, and only if ASC is not working, I'm going to do a CBO crazy method with broad targeting. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that's going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. On the other hand, I need to tell you that I'm using less ad sets. This is the reason that I'm creating this video, because I know that a lot of you love to do a lot of ad sets and optimize and all of that. I need to tell you that I started using in this past year less than 10 ad sets in all cases, maybe 12 in exceptional cases, but less than 10. In order for you to use less than 10, you're doing what we have discussed. Average cost per purchase, you take it, divide the budget for the average cost per purchase. For example, if you have a cost per purchase of 20 and you're putting a budget of 100, then you're going to do 5 assets. If you put 200, you're going to do 10 assets. But if you put 400, it looks like you have to do 20 assets. No, you're not going to do that. When you reach to numbers which are above 10 assets, then you're dividing by 2 until you reach the point that you're having less than 10 assets. So it has to be either 10, 9, 8 or less. Now don't overdo it and divide again to go instead of 10 having 5, because this is going to be a little bit of problematic in terms of the space that you're going to have for CBO optimization. But for sure, in all of my CBO campaigns, not only in Crazy Method, I'm using less than 10 ad sets. I'm not going to use more than that. And I will just try to get more sales per ad set if I have bigger budgets. For all of you that you love the Crazy Method like I do, because I made a lot of money with the Crazy Method, a lot of people have been able to train their ad accounts with the Crazy Method, have something working while nothing else was working with the Crazy Method, and so on. I need to clarify again, it's a scaling strategy that you're exploiting something that is working. It's not there so that you can find something which is working. It's utilizing something that is already working. But I need to tell you this, we have an update about ASC campaigns that they're going to start having multiple ad sets. The ASC campaigns are becoming like normal campaigns. They're going to have campaign, ad set, ad. They are limiting the number of ads from 150 to 50 per ad set, but we don't care about that. Inside the ad sets anyway, we're using 3 to 5 ads. Flexible ads right now are not working well for me. I hope that they're going to work well in the future, but for sure after the dynamic creative ads stopping, I stopped using them. I don't use the flexible ads. I just use 3 to 5 ads. So less than 10 ad sets, 3 to 5 ads inside each ad set, and maybe we're going to see in the future ASC Crazy Method campaigns if it's going to work, because the previous spring of 2024 they have done the same and it failed completely. It didn't work at all. All the ASC campaigns that they were having several assets, they were awful and they didn't work. In any case, if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website. You can also check my mentorship programs, and below all the people that they have completed it with testimonials, real testimonials from people completing it or still being part of it. And until we meet again guys, be creative and be consistent.